if I told you that you could start an online business today with $0? Sounds crazy, right? But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal a secret strategy that most beginners don't know, which can help you scale fast. So let's get started. The first step is finding a skill that pays. But don't overthink it. You don't need a degree or years of experience, just a skill that people are already paying for. Some easy-to-start options include content writing. If you can write basic English, you can start. Video editing. Tons of creators need help with YouTube and TikTok videos. Social media management. Businesses pay for someone to handle their Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Website designing. Platforms like Wix and WordPress make this super simple. And here's the best part. If you don't have these skills yet, you can learn them for free using YouTube, Coursera, or Skillshare. In just a few days, you'll be ahead of 90% of people who never take action. Now that you have a skill, the next step is getting your first client fast. But instead of waiting for clients to come to you, I'll show you a shortcut to getting them quickly. Here's a hack. Offer your service for free to 2 or 3 small businesses, influencers, or startups in exchange for a testimonial. Why? Because this does 3 things. 1. It helps you build credibility fast. 2. You get real-world experience. 3. Your first free clients often turn into paid clients. Now, you don't want to work for free forever. Once you have proof of work, it's time to start charging for your services. Getting paid clients is easier than you think. You just need a simple 3-step strategy. Step 1. Go back to the people you worked with for free and say, "I loved working with you. If you'd like to continue, I can offer this service for just $200 a month." Step 2. Offer package deals to new clients. For example, instead of charging $500 per project, offer a discounted package like $300 for ongoing work. Step 3. Use referrals to land more clients. If someone is happy with your service, tell them, "If you know someone who needs this, I'd love to help them. I'll even give them a discount." And just like that, you've made your first online income. But what if you don't want to work all day? That's where passive income comes in. The secret to scaling your business is outsourcing. Instead of doing everything yourself, you can hire freelancers to do the work for you while you focus on getting more clients. Here's how it works. Month 1, you edit videos yourself and make $500. Month 2, you hire an editor for $200, but still charge the client $500. Now, you keep $300 without doing any work. Month 3, you manage 5 clients, and suddenly, you're making $1,500 a month without spending hours editing. This is how successful entrepreneurs scale their businesses. They start solo, automate their process, and outsource tasks. Now, if you found this valuable and want to learn more strategies to scale up to $10,000 a month, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.